love the smell of Kubota in the morning. Yeah, they keep the door open now. It is nice and toasty in here. It's only been running just a few minutes. 5, 10 minutes maybe. Oh, that is cranking. We're just on low. Yeah, I think high will about melt the skin off you. Yeah, we got. I'm not even gonna crouch down. And that cleared the GoPro. I cleared the GoPro all day long. Granted, I am tilted back a little. I don't know who's running this thing. That feels good. Yeah, what position are we in? Right down here, real easy. You just pull that little plunger, put it in the next hole, and now we're in A mode. That's just what I'm used to. Anyone behind me? Alright, we gotta be easy on this driveway here. There's a throttle right here. Alright, this machine, as of right now, we're just doing a quick coupler, hydraulic thumb. I'm trying to stay off the lip. I don't want to be the one to tear up this new pavement. Sorry if I say that a million times, but it's true. I think that's a Jeep over there in the SVL 75. We all get to work, and he gets to play snow removal. Yeah, I mean, it is hot in here, even with these doors and windows open. Look, I got jets there, jets there, jets there, jets there, jets there. That is toasty. There's the 057-5, and that's the LiftMaster. Keep on wanting to turn that dial. Yeah, I have this job to do, another excavator to do, and then an SVL 97-2 that's getting that cutter right there. Which is always quite a lot of fun. Should just hook up, so. Alright. No more playing. Back to work. Getting set up. Now what I'm going to do is drop that hole about a ½ inch above the quick coupler holes. It's like, we just gotta go over a CH. Ooh, that was way too many. There we go. I think that'll be alright. I'll try to get this other hole somewhat close as well. We'll see how that goes for now. And then we use the jack from here. And then we don't have to start and stop this machine too many times. And Kubota also likes to leave the O-rings and fuses in this bag. Put the fuse back in there. And there we go. And that's how it comes with some shims. You want to listen to the full-length movie? Yeah. After lunch. After lunch on your stereo system. That'd be great. And then one more thing. Is that the pin we need? Yep. Now what I'm going to do is take a measuring device. Come over here. 12R. Specialty excavator tools. Is that one it? That's it. This one's cut down. So when I put this pin in, the thumb can go right over it, and then the thumb pin can shoot it right through. Yeah, let's do this. I got the spacers greased up there. I measured them first. Make sure we got the most in there. I hope the grease doesn't jam me all up. There we go. Helps keep them there. Alright, now we just gotta battle these O-rings. How are we doing here? A little more? One of the best things I've found is you just want to stick this in here and just give it a little twist. You really want to be careful. Ooh, look at that. Don't ever stick your fingers in there either. It's looking pretty good. This side's all jammed up now. These are. Be able to massage it through. And now I find it's best if I can. It's over here. How you doing? Yeah, if you use grease, it's just going to get all in there and you'll never be able to line this hole up because it'll all be full of that black grease, so. This is almost like Pam spray. Yeah, let's get it right in there. What is this? Ultra Lube 4X. I'll just see if we can just twist this through. Let me see. Come on. There we go. No hammers. That's how it's done. Nice and easy. Give it a little squeezy. Looks pretty good. Alright, put that one there. Alright. So we're gonna have to do this one side. Yeah, Let's make a mess of it, it's fine. It's just gonna help make it stick and stay. Got these leftover O-rings. They go there and there. Careful your fingers. Let me see, baby. O-rings just get all cranky to expand. There we go. Felt that. I felt good. I felt good. Keep it in place. It's gonna jump back out on me. See if we can just turn it, get it started. Come on. It was right there. There it goes. Yeah, don't ever force it. There's little wipers on the oil, on the dust seals that are built in there. And if you hammer it through, you're gonna shred them through. All right, I can get this one started now. Not started, but I'll get this one in. Wipe off my hands, and then we'll get that thumb installed. Ooh, I got 10x all of them. Now we just want to be careful. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Nice and easy. Look at that, that was about it. Alright, let me just move this forward a little. Move this down a little, and basically that hole will be about a ½ inch higher. And we'll use the pallet track from here. There's our hole. That's our direction. Let's keep this hole somewhat. That's just the cheater pin. Look at that. That was awesome. Alright, now for my next trick. We got the thumb cylinder on, the pin and the roll pin. Now, this is my next step I like to take. Careful now. Oh my god, he's the boss. He's coming my way. Oh. I'm gonna put the quick coupler against the thumb. Now, thing out of my life. Are you kidding me? Oh, freaking GoPro. Now let's get this thing down to normal waist height. Now that's about good there. Now what we want to do is bring the stick in. Now that cylinder hole and the thumb hole are pretty close. A little closer. Can even bring this out a little bit. How's that? Oh, that looks good. Hook up some fittings and hoses and get that last pin lined up. Yeah, you want to hook those hoses up before you start moving that cylinder around, because that cylinder is full and it'll make a huge mess. Yeah, we play both types of music up here, country and western. No.
I tried doing
Play that riff from Rawhide. Nah, that wasn't too aggressive. I'll probably make a little mess here, so it's gonna drip a little. I just loosened them. Just barely got the chain. See what this one does. Careful. Careful. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's coming out. Let's make it. Yeah, this side's always seems to be more pumped up. Alright. Let's tape up some fittings and get this together. Try to line these flats up if I can. Might as well make it look pretty if you can. Come on. Get these two. One more flat. One more flat. Oh, that feels good. So I can get some resistance now. That's good. I think that'll be fine. Lube your O-ring. These are O-ring orifices in these cylinders. And they're just O-rings, so you don't have to go quite to effing tight. Just tight. Yeah. On my target. What, you finally opened up your dream store? Mike's Rub and Tug? Dude, guy, 40 bucks is 40 bucks.
There it is. Go in the 20.
Seriously, dude. ATMs give out 5s and 10s now, so you can kind of name your price, Mike.
The ATM and they always be no five.
You think you use your OnlyFans handle? Huh? What? Not a big fan of Western.
No.
Good thing you got Red Bull. That's pretty effing tight now. Whew. I mean, that's where it wants to be. That's where you want to set it. Don't fight it. Don't break it either. Any tight on that, I'll just start bending and breaking shit. We'll just double check it. That's good. Still good. See, it's just kind of where it wants to be, so it won't prematurely loosen itself up. Put it against the frame, we'll just give it a little. Take a little of that angle out of there. That's gonna be mint. Alright, let's check this one more time. Alright. And we didn't make too much of a mess. Now you just want to make sure that, you know, this grease fitting's facing you, not that way, and same with this one. That'd be bad. How's that look? I think we'll be able to get it. Let's give it a try. Should just only have to start it up. Put the lever down, and it should start moving on its own. Is it gonna be enough? Gonna be enough? Gonna be enough? I think we'll be able to wrestle it from here. I don't think I need these anymore. Let me see. So we can go a smidge. Just gonna hit the auxiliary button on the thumb, which you can't see with my hand, with my forefinger. Boom. That's a little closer. Hit the button, turn it off. Put this up. Turn that off. How many pins do we have left? Here we go. Sticking into that hole, so you can stick it in that hole, so you can stick it in that hole. Line up that hole. So we can line these holes up. Look at Kubota's knife, lets you nice throughway. If you ever got to work on it in the future. How you doing, Richie? Perfect. Nice and flush. Alright, thumbs on. Let's hook up the bucket. Try to pretty eye this thing a little bit. Do my best to show this computer off a little. See what this hooks. It's a little glare right now. I'm hungry. Always hungry. Alright, let's just turn this on. One of those. I'll turn the lights off. Just turn this off. Alrighty, I think I need to hit this button. So this is gonna come up. I need to hit these auxiliary settings. So when I push this, this is enter. Mode select. Oh, I never. It's been so long since I've done this. Alright, number 1. No, we didn't do anything. Crap, give me back. Or maybe I gotta go to flow volume settings. Number 1. Yeah, here we go. Go to flow settings. Oop. Hit enter. So I'm gonna turn the left all the way off. We're gonna leave the right alone, go to the middle here. And you hit the button that kind of lights it up, so that's for the thumb. So I got a flail mower. Swivel grapple, grapple, drill, grapple, hydraulic hammer. Ooh, swivel bucket. Back to auxiliary. Alright, so we want the thumb, so I'm gonna press that. Boom. And we'll leave the thumb settings alone because they're usually pretty good. And then we're just gonna go to check mark. Alright, perfect. Let's leave the rest alone. Go back. Nope, then here. Hit the back button here. It's back to the screen. Start this baby up. Alright, let's get that bucket on. Alright, let's scoot you a little closer. I think that'll work. Alright, that's the horn. This will engage our auxiliary hydraulics. Hit it once, that's the thumb. Boom. Guess we can check for leaks before we go too far. Go slow just to purge the air out of the system. Good enough. Good enough for now. No major leaks. I guess we can cheat a little. Let's get that thumb all the way out. Should just drop right in. You say, ooh, I think it went right in. I think I got it in. Usually I would have got a little closer. The closer you are, the easier it is. I'm not gonna lie to you. Kind of being like 2 feet away is the sweet spot right there. Is the best. Give a little shake and bake, getting that paint might be on there. Let's see how this pin feels. What do you say, baby? What do you think about today? This linchpin is not one to lose fingernails over, so be careful because it's nasty. It is nasty. Careful, we got it. Alright, we did it. Bucket flat on the ground. Seems like we got some temperature here. And every time you do the lever here, you have to reset the thumb. I'll turn it back on. And we'll have to grease those. Just double checking for leaks one more time. And during the PDI process, I will re-grease every grease fitting on this machine. Alright, idle down, lever up, shut it down. Oop. Guess we can get these numbers down. It's warm. 1100 idle RPM. About average, yep. 2300 full RPM. Alright. Very nice there. It is absolutely awesome outside right now. Rabbit speed, and it moves out nice. think we're looking good. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. Y'all have a great day. Yeah, we can definitely turn the heat off now. We're inside. Machine is like laser accurate. Right, this is my favorite machine. Kubota says, right guy, you can have any excavator, which one you want? Right here. This one. Oh, wrong switch. I keep on wanting to turn that down. Stop that. Yeah, I'll take this. I'll take this with the steel wrist. Maybe a short stick off of U55. Oh yeah. Oh, copyright claim, copyright claim. Gotta go. Yes!